Yan, nag-welcoming na kami dito sa Philippine Normal University Family Day with our Party Bergs Stealth Walkers and Unicycle.
Ayan, so magsasalaan natin tayo yung
Dumating na po yung parade.
bringing lang tayo sa music natin. Ganda ng mga design. Congrats po parents din sa mga ating pet design. Ginabi sila mang paraan sa gabi. Oo, sino inaabot dito ng mga 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock? Ayun, ang dami. Okay, thank you for helping po parents and guardians. Okay, are we ready? Please welcome our students and our field study teachers from grade 1.
Led by the advisor, Professor Charmaine Espejo.
Please welcome our students and FS teachers from grade 2 Mandala, led by their advisors, Imam Shi and Ma'am Vivian. Get ready for grade 3 Mandala!